Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the station at the moment in Seminyak area. Okay, now we are in Penida Street. So if you want to know how the station right there at the moment in Penida, just keep stay in touch. Okay. Yeah, now we are in Penida Street now. You see how the traffic today? Since the Omicron find it, Bali is still back quiet now. So many tourists come to Bali now because Omicron is still happening in Bali. In Indonesia. That's why in Jakarta there is a lot of people get the Omicron. But you see right side? Yeah, there is a lot of car parking there. That's good. At the front of the hotel, there is some car parking there. In this area, there is Uluwatu Bali hotel. But so far, yeah, there's some car parking at Lama Residence, Capital Hotel. I'm sorry, the camera is not so really good. No stabilizer on this camera because I just use my mobile phone, the old one. It is so quiet, isn't it? You see the weather today is so beautiful. It's so cool, so shiny. That's good. It's like a beach time now. It's really good time to go to the beach today because the sky is so blue. Hotel, right side. They are so quiet. That's very bad. You see on the road? It looks so empty, isn't it? There is not so many car and motorbike driver in this area today. Just look very quiet. It's very sad. It's happening because in Jakarta now it's like more people find it for the new virus Omicron. That's why there's not so many people from Jakarta come to Bali now. Still waiting. Omicron issue is like killing for Bali. right, that is the way to go to Penida Beach. Let's see. Also look very quiet. Mexico motel outside. Yeah, it's very famous. During the night time, it's always busy in this area. It's like 9 o'clock. You see the road? It looks so empty, isn't it? There is no one around in this area. It's very quiet. So this is the real station at the moment. It's in the area. Aduh. Surabaya sepi, Bali sepi, masih sepi. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.